Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, I've got a 15-minute chart of the ES up. We did a lot of look at the daily last night on the evening recap, so you can check that out on the website, PrincetonTrader.com. It's up on the Twitter page at Princeton Trader. So check that out, and there's a lot of longer-term time frame stuff on there. What I want to do here, just to kind of try to avoid being duplicative, is to work off the 15-minute chart. I could plug in yesterday's webcast and pretty much have it be today's webcast because we're looking at the same two levels. We're looking at 85. Yesterday we talked about the daily pivot, which was at 85.17, acting as potential support. We had that here, 85, traded 85 half, and we bounced and we never really looked back for the rest of the day. It got a little choppy. We tested 88 a couple of times, and 88 is going to be big today. It held up through the overnight session, so you've got 88, 85, and 82. 85 to 82, you've got the daily in 3 days that are within a handle, so 85, 84 is going to be a big deal. 82, a little bit lower, which kind of acts as a band. Now, I will jump out on the daily chart real quick to show you one thing, which is this. Yesterday's low, 85 half, okay, which was the same low we made about 10 o'clock yesterday. If the bulls are going to, if the bears are going to roll this over on the bulls, it all starts with breaking and closing below 85 half. So 85 is a really big level today. You can see that that we made new highs last night, 1695 half of the highs, currently trading 1693. I'll just briefly reiterate here as we go back to the 15-minute chart. Today may be the day. Today may be the end of days. We may roll over and do 50 handles. But there's nothing on that daily chart that tells you that today is the day. So if you're short and you're getting shorter every day, I would really be cautious because you've got 20 handles of gap. You've got 20 handles of gap between the upper band, which is sitting up at 1714, and where we're trading now basically 1693. So you've got 20 handles there to deal with. So that's your risk, and that's a lot of risk. And I say that that's your risk because we have not done exhaustion gaps during this rally, during this uptrend. Every uptrend that's turned around has been when that upper Bollinger Band has been touched or broken through. So to expect something different here doesn't make sense to me as a trader. So if we break through 1695 on the upside, you have to look at 1698, then you have to look at 1700, 1703. When we get to 1700 or 1703, especially if we do it today, I think that's a real level of exhaustion. I think we would come back to retest the 93 to 95 area, kind of where we're hanging out now. I was saying to somebody yesterday, the longer the bears let the bulls screw around up here, and I say screw around up in the 90s, the longer that happens, the more chance that it becomes an area of consolidation again. Get these out of the way and back out one. Okay, we ramp. We kind of did a little shelf there, broke out there. We shelved it here, and we're kind of breaking out. If it somehow shelves again for a few days, there's nothing bearish about that, at least not based upon recent price action. Okay, the best thing that the bears can do, it'd also be the most painful thing that the bears could do for themselves, is go up, punch the upper band, and go down. Because for the last 3 days, we've seen really no ticks at all, no capitulation, no flushing, no real pain. No ticks under or over 1,000 for the last 3 days. So it's summer. I mean, we're getting that kind of summer trade, and we have to understand that too. And that may, for now, just mean a slow grind higher until we start hitting some stops on the upside and moving up. But if you're a bear and you say today is the day, step one is breaking 85 and closing below it. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com. Check us out. Check out the website. Check out the Twitter page at Princeton Trader. come check out the chat. We're doing a 2-week free trial, and I think you'll like what you see in there. No obligation. Come check us out. I'll see everybody tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well.